Hi, hello everyone, how are you? Now we will test the battery of D88 Potensic in standard condition in my house. Okay, turn on the time. Speed video now is 410. This is our controller, all charge, battery drone and battery remote station. Here we can see how to activate or deactivate the drone's GPS. On and off. Now here instead we see how to activate or deactivate the light under the drone, or how we set responsiveness the same drone. Light click on, light click off, long press responsiveness low, and another long press responsiveness height. Well, the speed of the videos has increased up to 10 times, so as not to waste time, but in the meantime, despite the speed, the stopwatch is clearly visible, from which we can follow the timing without interruption or cuts. Okay, sometimes I do take my controller and do repositioning drones. Oh yes, now we seeing half charged battery and the light of the drone flashing alternately, all for red, and I love enjoy with my drone, the Potensic 88. It's one of two that I own. And now a few the drone landing. Okay, experiment concluded. Battery life 19 minutes 54 seconds. Follow me on my channel, click like and Karma Yoga. Bye bye.